Welcome students. Abhinav Vidyalay High School Marathi Medium, Karve Road, Pune 4, Standard 8, Subject Mathematics, Lesson number 15. Today's topics are area of figures having irregular shape, practice set 15.5. Students, generally the plots, fields, etc. are the shape of irregular polygons. These polygons can be divided into triangles and specific quadrilaterals. Now we are going to study some examples to know how the polygons are divided and their areas are calculated. So here practice set 15.5. The question is find the areas of given plots. All measures are in meters. So here is the plot. These measures are given in meters and we have to find the area of this plot. Now this polygon is of irregular shape. So we have to divide this polygon into triangles and quadrilaterals. So here you can see there is first triangle, triangle PAQ. Then in the next to this triangle there is the quadrilateral QRCA. After that there is another triangle, triangle RCS. Then there is again one triangle, triangle TBS. And the next and last triangle in this figure is triangle PBT. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles and 1 quadrilateral. If we find the areas of these 4 triangles and the area of this quadrilateral, then we can find the area of this irregular shaped polygon. Okay, so the formula to find the area of polygon PQRST is area of triangle PAQ plus area of quadrilateral AQRC plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle TBS plus area of triangle PBT. Okay. Now area of triangle PAQ. This is triangle PAQ. This is right angle triangle. In this triangle PA is the base and the length of PA is 30. QA is the height and length of QA is 50. So here the formula to find the area of triangle PAQ is equal to 1 by 2 into PA into QA. 1 by 2 into base into height plus now area of this quadrilateral AQRC. This quadrilateral is the trapezium in which QA and RC, these are parallel sides, and AC is the height between these two parallel sides. Now length QA is given as 50. Length RC is given as 25. We can find length AC as AB plus BC because the points A, B and C are collinear points. So we can add AB plus BC and we can get length AC. So length AC is equal to 30 plus 30, that is equal to 60. Okay. So here the formula to find the area of trapezium AQRC is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the lengths of parallel sides, that is AQ plus CR, into height, height is AC, plus now area of triangle RCS. This is triangle RCS. In this triangle CS is the base and RC is the height. So 1 by 2 into CS into CR or RC plus area of triangle TBS. This is triangle TBS. In this triangle BS is taken as the base and BT is taken as height. So here is equal to 1 by 2 into BT into BS plus now triangle PBT. Triangle PBT is equal to 1 by 2 into base PB into height BT. 1 by 2 into PB into BT. Now putting the values. So we can write is equal to 1 by 2 into PA 30 QA 50 plus 1 by 2 into AQ 50 CR 25 into AC 60 plus 1 by 2 into CS 60 and CR 25 plus 1 by 2 into BT is 30 and BS means BC plus CS, so 30 plus 60 that is 90 plus 1 by 2 into 60 PV ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 60 into BT 30 is equal to, now 1 by 2 into 30 we can write 15. 15 into 50 plus 75 into 30. 75 means 50 plus 25 is equal to 75, and after dividing 60 by 2 we get 30 plus 1 by 2 into 60 that is 30 into 25 plus 1 by 2 into 30 means 15 into 90 plus 1 by 2 into 60 that is 30 into 30. Now 15 into 50 is equal to 750. 75 into 30 is equal to 2250. 30 into 25 is equal to 1350 plus 30 into 30 is equal to 900. So is equal to, by adding all these we get 6000 square meter. So area of this polygon PQRST is equal to 6000 square meter. Okay, so you can solve this example in your notebook, revise it again, and now next example. Example number 2. So here is the given polygon A, B, C, D, E. In this polygon there are three triangles. This is triangle ABE, this is triangle BCE, and this is triangle CDE. If we find the areas of these three triangles, then after adding these three areas we can get the area of polygon ABCDE. So area of polygon ABCDE is equal to area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle CDE. Write this first. Now in triangle ABE, this is the right angle triangle, and to find the area of this right angle triangle, we want this length AE. So to find this length AE, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, AE square is equal to BE square minus AB square. That is equal to 30 square minus 24 square. 30 square is 900, 24 square is 576. That is equal to 324. Therefore, AE is equal to 18 meter. The square root of 324 is 18. Now area of triangle ABE is equal to 1 by 2 into base AB into height AE, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 24 into 18 is equal to 216 square meter. Now area of triangle BCE is equal to, now to find the area of this triangle BCE we have to use here Heron's formula, because this is not right angle triangle and we have not given the base and height of this triangle, but we have given the lengths of all the three sides of this triangle. So use your Heron's formula. This is Heron's formula. For using Heron's formula, we have to find first the semi-perimeter of this triangle. So semi-perimeter of triangle BCE is equal to 30 plus 26 plus 28 upon 2. Now this addition is 84. 84 upon 2 is equal to 42 meter. So area of triangle BCE is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Put the values. We can write under root 42 into 42 minus 30 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 26. That is equal to 42 into 12 into 14 into 16. Now by splitting all these terms, we can write 42 is equal to 7 into 6. 12 is equal to 6 into 2. 14 is equal to 2 into 7. And do not split this 16 because 16 is the complete square. Now 7 into 7, here only one time. 7, you can write this 7 for only one time. Then 6 into 6, that is out of the square root we can write only 6. 2 into 2, here only 2, and the square root of 16 is 4. Now 7 into 6 into 2 into 4 is equal to 336 square meter. Now area triangle CDE. This area, here we have given length of CD 16, but there is one correction. This is not the length of CD. 16 is the length of FD. And this triangle CDE, in this triangle, if we take CE is the base, then FD is the height. So CE is equal to 28 and FD is equal to 16. So here area triangle CDE is equal to 1 by 2 into CE into FD is equal to 1 by 2 into 28 into 16 is equal to 14 into 16 is equal to 224 square meter. So area of polygon ABCDE is equal to area of triangle ABE is 216 plus area of triangle BCE is 336, area triangle CDE is 224. Now adding all these we get 776 square meter. This is the area of polygon ABCDE. Thus we can find the area of any irregular shaped polygon by this method. Now homework, solve the practice set 15.5 and you have to solve also all the solved examples. Thank you.